UTech.
Increase cache values. Open VLC Player. Open Tools, then click on Preferences. In Show Settings, select All. In Advanced Settings, click on the parent option that says Input/Codecs. In Input/Codecs, scroll down to the options under the heading Advanced. Change the values for file caching, MS, and disk caching, MS, from 300 to a higher value like 1000. Network caching, MS, is for files that are stored on the network but are being played on your system. After changing the values, press Save. Change video output settings. Open Tools, then click on Preferences. Click on the Video tab. In Video Settings under Output, change from Automatic to Directs, Direct Draw, Video Output, or OpenGL Video Output. Press Save.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.